somebody says goodbye to me.
We are inspired the soft glow running on the body of roll pyramid, which is created by its unique structure. We use stable and symmetrical triangles and diamond shapes to create the elegant and cutting-edge appearance of 08. It's a back and forth process of brainstorming and polishing the craft. For example, we refined our 3D modeling 90 times, made more than 100 models, and went through more than 200 hours of hand-focused tests just to create the best holding experience for our customers. Smartphones have gone far beyond a tool of communication, and modern people use them to express their choice, life attitude, and even who they are. For example, 08's color, which draws inspiration from outer space. It's an ideal choice for people who want to show modernity and maturity. It's the creation towards a clear destination. It's the combination of humanity arts and intelligent technologies. Creation takes roots in art and develops in the direction revealed by the progress of technology. They are the same things in nature, both motivated by inspiration and innovation.
From mechanical engineer to product manager, my team spent many years to building Zero family. We hope Zero series could bring extreme technology for user experience. Today, 08 is Infinix flagship product with the latest technology. For Infinix, we take a further step. 6.85 Full HD screen with 19 Hz refresh rate. Whenever you swipe the screen, open an app, or enjoy a movie, 08 will provide an immersive visual experience. It has 4,500 battery with 63 watts supercharge. Only 60 minutes, battery could be charged 70%. 08 is empowered by G90T processor to make sure any popular game could operate super smooth. 48 megapixel dual front camera and 64 megapixel for rear camera take imaging performance. From Super Night mode, bokeh mode, 4K video shot to slow motion shot, 08 has a super optimization. Hope 08 could inspire the best moment in your life. Vision Master, your best choice.